Hey everyone, a bit of a research and development video today. I'm trying to figure out if I'm actually getting third gear. TH350 gearbox, auto transmission. And it just seems to be revving kind of high in third gear. And some of you are saying that I'm not even getting third gear. So let's go out for a wee drive. We'll do a few tests to make sure it's going into third gear and take it from there. Let us go. Right, I'm going to take you to a quiet, straight country road. I don't want to be doing these sort of tests in the suburbs. So bear with me till we get there, okay? To go to a country road, I should be able to get up to third gear at relatively low speeds, so we'll do it from a standing start right here, okay? Okay, I'm in first gear, listen carefully. That sounded like third to me. I'll shout it out this time, okay? I'm in first. Second. Third. So it's definitely getting into third. So the next test is going to be what RPM I'm getting at certain speeds. Kind of tricky because I don't have a speedo, but I can guess. I do have an app on the phone, but I'm using the phone camera at the same time, and the app doesn't work while I'm using the camera. So we'll go to a little country road. I'll guess what's about, 50 miles an hour or whatever, and tell you what the RPM is. So let's get there. To about 60 miles an hour in this stretch, and I'll tell you what the RPM is, okay? Don't know if you heard that. I'm going to get up to 60 miles per hour. Now I'm doing miles per hour because Most people understand that over kilometers per hour, and I'll tell you what the RPM is. Let's go. I've turned it off because I'm paranoid about it overheating. That's the furthest I've gone at that sort of maintained speed. So I'll let it cool down for a wee bit. But let's face it, you can tell, you can hear it's going into third, but it seems to be revving really high. So either there's something wrong with the gearbox, or my rear diff is set up for drag racing or something. Because I'm pretty sure I should be cruising along those country roads about 2,500 RPM. As it stands, if I was to hit the highway, I'd probably be doing, oh goodness, 5,000 RPM at 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour. That's no use. It'll do for now, but long term, I need to think either changing the rear diff if that's a problem, or getting a manual box with maybe 5 gears. So, okay, let this cool down, we'll head home. So there you go. I'm not going mad. It is getting third gear. Right, small block Chevy 350, TH350. The small block was from a 1975 Camaro. Not sure where the TH came from, where the transmission. Rear axle is from a 1957 Chevy. So has someone been messing with the gears, or is it just that this rear diff really was not designed for a TH350? That's probably more accurate. So what do? Do I have to change out the gears in the rear axle, or do I just change to a manual transmission? I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys. But, well, I'll leave the suggestions up to you guys. Unless you're willing to pay for a complete conversion, it'll be up to me. Right, folks, I'm actually working on seatbelts. And I'll continue working on seatbelts, but for now, that's what you're getting. So, answers on a postcard. See you all soon. Take care. Bye.